as the Ukrainian drone army works as an angry bee swarm, stinging the Russian army whenever they can, in however they can, as they offer a wide range of capability and being able to destroy almost anything within the Russian army. As this Ukrainian drone found a truck with ammunition thrown in the back. It only took a high explosive dual-purpose grenade to start a chain reaction, as the ammunition started slowly burning away, destroying the truck in the process, letting less ammunition to be used against Ukrainian forces, showing the ability to use minimal resources and having a meaningful impact on the battlefield, leaving a little less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.